If you have a frayed rope like this and you want to fix it, watch this video to the end. I'll show you how. Ropes these days are usually made out of synthetic material that will melt. So the first thing you want to do is cut off the ends as close as you can. That looks good. This has a little bit more. Try to get off any of this excess. Then you'll need something like a heat source, a lighter, match. I have a torch. Try to melt it down. That looks pretty good. And we'll do this side. I don't think that's going anywhere. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. It's a big help. Thanks.